Good morning, everyone. This is just a quick tutorial how to access the STAR and IRI testing from your home if you are choosing to proctor your own tests for the month of November. So I start out here at the newsletter so that we can see our kindergartners were asking to take the IRI and to do the math survey that was emailed home last week. In order to get to the IRI, first you'll go to our Launchpad through District 93. If you are using one of our district provided Chromebooks, there is an icon down in the middle of your screen, probably about right here, just below, that has a ClassLink link. If you have your own computer, go ahead and type in launchpad.classlink.com/D93 schools. So your student will put in their username, which is going to be their 4x4, which, if you remember, is the first four letters of their last name, the first four letters of their legal first name. And then their student ID is going to be their password. If you are unsure of what that student ID is, you should have it on a little note card that we provided for you at the very beginning of the school year. Or if you have misplaced that, be sure to get a hold of your teacher and they have access to that. Now I'm going to sign in, and you'll notice that I have a lot more icons and applications available as a teacher. But the important one that you need to know for IRI for your kindergartner is here called iStation. So you'll log into iStation. In the upper right hand corner is the login. Click login, and then again, username is your 4x4, password is going to be your child's student ID number. So that's how you get to the IRI. Now, if we go back over here, we've got first through third graders doing STAR Math and STAR Reading with the optional IRI at this point, and fourth through eighth graders, we would like to do STAR Math and STAR Reading. So to access STAR testing, go back to your Launchpad, and then in the upper left-hand corner here is our BOES folder. Once you get into the BOES folder, you'll come into BOES Renaissance. So click on Renaissance, and this should be familiar to your child and maybe you if you have tested at home in the past. So you'll click on I'm a student. I'm going to use, I just created a username for my daughter who is a student in the district, but I did so that I can show you guys what it's going to look like when you log in. So what you'll do is you'll click into the STAR Reading test or STAR Math, whichever you prefer to do first. It doesn't make any difference, but we would like you to participate in both tests. Go ahead and click the test you want to start with, and then here the monitor password is admin, ADMIN, short for administrator or administration of the test. And then you'll click start, and it will take you to the practice test. So I am going to log out of this STAR test for my daughter, who is not actually going to take the test. But I wanted to show you what it looks like from your student's point of view. Again, so once your child logs out of the first test they take, it'll bring you back, it'll come back to this home page. Click I'm a student again, and then your username is your 4x4, and your password is your student ID number. And then log in again and take the other test. Okay? So hopefully that is helpful for everyone. We'd like you to do that by the end of the week if you can, so that we can get the reports printed and sent to you guys, or saved as PDFs and emailed to you. So I hope that helps you. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of your teacher, and she will be happy to answer them for you. All right? Have a great day.